I added eggs to the hot oil and was amazed at the incredible result. Start by adding 1 liter of vegetable oil in a medium saucepan over medium-high heat. Once the oil is hot enough, add 7 whole eggs. Also add salt to taste. One pinch of black pepper, and let them all fry for 2 minutes. Leave us a comment with the name of the city from which you're watching this. I'd like to give you a shout out and thank you for sharing this recipe. After this indicated time, remove the eggs from the hot oil and transfer to a large bowl. In the bowl with the eggs, add a 240 milliliter cup of breadcrumbs, 1/2 medium onion chopped into small cubes, 2 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter, parsley to taste, and mix all the ingredients together very well until combined. If you've made it here, that means you're enjoying our recipe. So click the share button and share this video with all your friends. It won't cost you anything, but for us, it will make all the difference. This is the right mix. That recipe is ready. You may now serve and enjoy it. I really hope you liked this recipe. Now I'll head back to the comments section and we'll continue to answer everyone who left the name of their city. And I'll also thank you for sharing this recipe. See you next recipe. Bye.